If you don't know what a mortgage is, then this video is for you. Hey, I'm Antonio, and I help beginner real estate investors who don't know where to start with real estate investing to help them buy their first investment property confidently. If you need help, click the link in the description down low. When I was first learning about real estate investing, I was like all of you. I was reading books and I was trying to figure out what the hell was going on. And this term kept coming up, mortgage. I knew nothing about mortgages, and it was overwhelming because I heard this term where I need to take out hundreds of thousands of dollars and I didn't know what to do. So I would just put the book to the side and give up temporarily. So let's say I'm broke as shit and I want to buy this water bottle. It costs $1, but I don't have $1 because, guys, I wasn't kidding. I'm actually broke. All I have to my name is 20 cents. But I have this friend who has money. His name is Anthony. Anthony says he's got the 80 cents. That's perfect. But I'm not off the hook. Anthony says he'll give me the 80 cents if in 1 year from today, I pay him 96 cents total, equaling out to about 8 cents per month. For a full year, I have to pay him 8 cents until I fully paid off my loan with him for that water bottle. In the end, he's gonna have 96 cents in his pocket. So he's happy because he turned his 80 cents into 96 cents. It made him 16 cents without him doing anything. And I'm happy because I got my water bottle and now I can drink water. That's exactly how a loan works. And a mortgage is literally just a loan for a house. That's it. So in the example we use, take out the water bottle and put in the house. Imagine I was trying to buy the house and I needed money to buy it. That's when a mortgage comes in. The only difference here is that when someone gives you a mortgage, they are protected. If the person who gives me the money to buy the house does not get paid by me, then they have the right to say, this house is mine, I'm taking it. That's what happens when we have a foreclosure. In the example used with the water bottle, if I didn't pay my friend every month, then theoretically he would have been able to take the water bottle back. Good luck, bro. I chugged that already. If you still don't understand what a mortgage is, comment down low. I will literally respond to any question you have. I'm serious. Stop what you're doing and comment your question right now. If you don't understand, comment it. So let's do an example of a mortgage. Let's say you're trying to buy a house that's $100,000 and you plan on buying it with 20% down payment. $100,000 times 0.2 equals $20,000. A lender is the person who will actually give you the money for the house. In most cases, they're a bank or a company, but sometimes they could be a friend too. The lender is going to give you the 80K for the house. This way you can buy the house right now. But the catch is that you have to pay them back the 80K plus interest over the time of the loan. Typically, you pay a mortgage back every month for 15 years or 30 years. And every month, what you're paying them is part of the original cost, meaning that extra 80K that you got borrowed from the bank, plus the interest. I made a quiz for beginner real estate investors to help them test their knowledge to see if they're ready to get out there. Click the link in the description to use the form for free. Now that you understand what a mortgage is, let's discuss how you actually make money with real estate. Click the video on screen. I always do this. I don't know where it is. Just click on it, seriously.